This is mini vlog number 3. I have finished the cross stitching of this lavender project. This is how it looks in sunlight. Maybe if I see better, it looks like this. It looks very beautiful in a frame. And now next step is that I need to wash this before I send it for framing. So last time I did a brown frame, this time I'm thinking about a white frame. I need to talk with my prospective client to see what is her choice. So next step is washing. Let's do that. So here is my big ball. This is some warm water and I'm adding some vinegar and dishwashing, so basically prill and vinegar to it, so that it is washing all the dirt and everything away. And then now I'll just put this fabric into it. I'm hoping this is how it looks. It will be fine. Usually I'm using anchor thread, so usually it shouldn't be a problem. There should not be any color bleed happening. So here I'm adding a small piece of color and dirt catcher here, so I'm adding that here. That is that. So if there is any kind of color bleed, it should not be, it will catch up that. I don't see a problem, but I'm just keeping it right. So I'll just leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, now I washed it. I washed it in multiple times in water. Next, let us dry it. Okay, so I will just do a little bit of like this, not too tight. Next, I'll take a towel and I will do this. I'm assuming it has shrunk a bit. I'm not sure. It is possible because, but yeah, that's fine. And I will do this. So this is basically, I'm trying to take out some water from this. Now I'll do some sort of air drying, because then before I'll go and do a steam it and dry it, so that I can take out the wrinkles. Otherwise, last time when I did, what happened was that there was some stubborn folds which never bent back, and there was some dirt from my hands. So this step would help me do that. Yeah. So that's it. I would like to show you the back of it. I'm a beginning cross stitcher, so this is how it's looking in the back. Not very beautiful, but yeah, that's all.